Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Hey guys, I'm in the she shop. I feel like this needs a clear coat and a little more sanding. So I know her very well, and she's gonna tell me she wants it more distressed. More distressed, more distressed. And then today, this is my project for the day. It was green. I'll pop up a picture. Now I'm gonna finish it. I want it to be all white with just the concrete looking wings, so I gotta finish. Gotta finish it. So that's what I've been doing today. My mother-in-law gave me this shirt. It says, I run on coffee, chaos, and cuss words. It's so true. She knows me so well. When I met my husband, he said his mom doesn't swear and then I shouldn't swear in front of her. I swear in front of her. She's gotten used to me, I think. But anywho, I am going to paint this freaking bird today. And then, I don't know. I'm going to try and do this one. I feel like it needs something. More distressing. I'm pretty sure I need to do more distressing on it. And at the same time, I don't want to. I'm going to see if I can find a matte clear somewhere in my mess here. It's over there. So I'll hit it with the matte clear when I'm done, just to, when you sand it, it kind of gets a haze on it, and it's not pretty. So I'm going to get that done. It's super cold here. May have to get a sweater. It was supposed to warm up. Yesterday we went to Victoria's tournament. She's number 1 7th grade girls. She's number 5 middle school girls. She's number 35 overall in the state in her archery. So proud of her. She's really good. Anyway, we went to that yesterday and it was supposed to be warming up, but the wind was so bitter cold that walking into the school, like, we parked the second row. So like the first row's here and then, you know, facing the school, and then there's a row back here. We're parked in this one. So essentially like the front row, right? And I froze to the door. It was unreal, that wind. So I don't know where this warm up was coming from, but I should have worn my snow pants. My husband and my daughter would have been embarrassed. And then we were sitting in the gymnasium. It was like cold air blowing on me. So I put my hoodie up and I'm all bundled up and looked like the Unabomber. But let's paint the bird. This is Marble Island by Bungalow 47. It's some chalk paint. Just using up the paints I have. With this supply chain problem, I don't want to have to go to the store, so I will be using what I have, and I have plenty of white. Not matte white. This is a matte white. But plenty white. I bought a gallon, so on the Oops paint. Who has Oops gallons of white? This is how you got to paint a bird. I'm like wiping her butt with a brush. It's terracotta inside, so when I looked inside the little hole in the bottom, it's all terracotta. Plus, when I sanded off the stuff that was flaking, it's all terracotta. I just thought it would look better white. And since it was scratched and cracking and all that good stuff, it's like, well, it's time to give it an update. But I'm going to leave the wings that concrete look. And then I think I'm going to put a cork on the bottom to keep it from scratching any surfaces, because this bottom is not, like, it's not nice. So I don't know what was supposed to be on it. Maybe a felt, but it's come off. So I'm going to put cork on there, I think. I've got some cork. I think I'm cutting my finger. Trying to get underneath of the bird here. You can't see. All you can see is the back of my head. Turn around. All right, let's get it down. This bird is cute though when it's white. I feel like it's cuter now than when it was green with the weird eye. All right, coat 2. Maybe needs a coat 3. We'll find out. As long as I got white open, do I need to paint anything else white? I should probably finish that before I paint anything else white. I'm terrified of like flicking white on it by accident. Not that I've done that recently to that chair yesterday. I want to bake stuff today. It's that cold kind of day. We're going to bake stuff, but I got to get my projects finished. So I got to work at the same time I got to work. Stay on task, Stacy. Stay on task. I'm just stressed it more. It's a latex paint, so clearly it doesn't really need a clear coat. But because it's going into a doctor's office and it's going to be cleaned quite frequently because it's a doctor's office, I am going to clear coat it just so that it is protected from any cleaners or chemicals that they use on it to disinfect between patients. So that's happening. I've wiped down all the dust. Now I got to wait for it to dry because I used a damp cloth. And you don't want to put it on wet. So like water that I've got on it, you don't want to put the clear coat over that. So I'm going to let that dry for a hot second. And then I'm going to get after it with a matte clear. I've got Verdick Crystal Clear Matte. This is my favorite. Actually, it doesn't yellow. So I like it a lot. Shake, 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 Sonora. That's what I think of when I shake these things. Is anyone else? Just me? Okay. All right, so this is what I'm going to use to clear it. But I got to wait for that to dry. So now I'm waiting for that to dry, wait for that to dry. And I need something else to do. As long as I've got the matte clear out, I am going to hit this with a little matte clear. Oh, maybe I should distress this a little bit. Thinking I should maybe pull some of this off. I don't know. Leave it. Distress it. I don't know. After I clear it, I can go after it with a little, it'll come to me. 1 second. Glaze. Told you it would come to me. And just hit the high points. Like, I think that's supposed to be a bulldog face. I don't know. Gargoyle? Bulldog? I don't know. It's ugly. But just hit it with a little glaze to get in the cracks and crevices. Just to give it a little detail. But I'm going to do that after I clear it. Yeah. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. I can start clearing this while that dries. I have a cheap little brush here. I'm going to use this to clear. Like, is this the Dollar Tree? I don't know. Is that this one? Yeah, that's this one. My daughter gave me these for Christmas. Maybe I shouldn't use this one. I don't. One second. I have foam brushes. I had a bunch of foam brushes that I picked up at a thrift store. Yeah, it was a thrift store. So I can just hit it with some clear with this. Yeah. Okay, guys. So the bird's done. But you'll know that if you're on the 100 Project 100 Days, because this will be my project. I just gotta get a little bit of that off, but yeah, I think he's cute. I think he's adorbs. He's done. Cute little bird. And then on the chair, you guys, okay, so when I sanded it, there was all this white everywhere. And then the wood looked really, really new. So I made a choice. And I took some dark glaze and I put it all over the chair. And I think it really made the wood look rich. So all the spots where you see wood look really good now. Gosh, there's still white paint there. Is that white paint? No. I don't know. We'll deal with that. I guess we're going to have to. Look how bright that is. What the heck is that? Okay. What? This stupid... Well, we're going to have to distress that right there. Okay, look, it's distressed. Look, that's distressed. It's under my fingernail. For real. Look at that. I'll flake it off under my fingernail. Anyway, I like the way the dark glaze worked on it. Now I can clear the whole thing, and I'm happy with it except that spot. And this spot right here, where I tried to put some clear coat on it, and it got a little white. I don't know why. This chair is killing me. I mean, seriously, guys, the chair is killing me. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. It's a Sunday. I cleaned my house and put my laundry away, and I feel like I had a win. So I'll see you tomorrow. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.